Okay, for e-learning for the 20th, what I have for you is that I have two assignments in the e-learning module. They're part of the Intro to Raptor module that I created. First is Intro to Raptor, and it's a YouTube video. Both of them are YouTube videos of how to use Raptor to do an intro part. And then number two is on variables and how you use variables in Raptor. And then, so as we do these e-learning days, it's just going to keep adding to um, the visuals of someone else going through Raptor. We'll continue to work through it in class so that we are on pace with being able to complete the final exam assignments. Pseudocode is very important to understanding how you're going to get to the final outcome of your program that you're going to be writing. And Raptor uses a visual flow chart view of how those things are going to work through the program. You know, what your variables are going to be, where your inputs are going to be, how it's going to flow to get to your outcomes. So use those as introduction. I know some people are still struggling with those. They're 5 points each. You watch a video, summarize it. And there's two of those. I think they're 5 minutes apiece on those. A couple of them as they get longer. I'll just keep adding to that Raptor module so that when you get lost, you can always go back and refer to those. And I'll use those Raptor thing as a quiz grade for the 9 weeks. So make sure you get those done before you come to class on Tuesday, and we'll be ready to go.